Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Coinbase Wallet, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase Wallet app. Ensure you are logged into your account. Locate the settings option in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on settings to access your account settings. Scroll down to find the subscriptions section. Select subscriptions to manage your subscriptions. You will see a list of available subscriptions and services. Browse through the options to find what interests you. Tap on the subscription you wish to explore further. Read the details provided about the subscription. You may be prompted to review the payment details. Confirm that your payment information is accurate. If necessary, add or update your payment method. Once confirmed, proceed to the subscription review page. Review the terms and conditions associated with the subscription. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Finally, tap on Confirm Subscription to complete the process. You will receive a notification confirming your subscription. Your subscription is now active and linked to your Coinbase wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.